Okay, hi YouTube. We're gonna play with our Nerf guns. Okay, and that's my safe spot over there.
No, we don't.
My Nerf guns.
Okay.
My Nerf guns.
Okay,
They'll learn it.
Okay, let's stop.
We have Vexal here, boy with the blue glasses, and Bam Bam. He's new.
Yeah, I'm new in the
Okay, let's go.
YouTube business. Okay. This is my spot. Yeah. By the way, Mason, if you're watching.
Okay, get out of the camera.
Sorry.
3,
Hi, Mason.
3, 2. Oh. Wait, don't start yet. We're starting already. Okay, 3, 2. Go, 1, go! Hi. Oh.
Oh, ow, my leg. You didn't shoot me, but it still hurt.
I have to shoot you with my one more time. You're dead. You did not get me, man. I did.
Take him out one-on-one.
Brandon, let's be a team.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Team
You got
up
a
until
team.
the last round. Team up until
Okay, you're the shield. Come on.
we don't. No, I'm not.
Okay, I'm the shield. Oh, you can't team. What do you got? Come on, get him. Oh, he got you. You can't team. Pause. We got you.
It's not counted as a team. It's just.
We got you one.
It's
Why
doing
isn't this working?
That's the problem. Oh, you have to pull this back.
He knows how to work it. Watch out.
Wait, what? Is it jammed?
Guys, close the bullet. Get ready for round 2.
There are no teams. Okay, so the winner of that round was Bam Bam.
Cammy.
No, only him. No teams. Okay,
Why did I win?
because you won.
You have to go till
Most shots.
I was the one who shot you.
No!
I
First
win!
round, though.
Huh?
First round, though. Okay. Fix it
We're
right.
not deleting this video, right?
No. Why is this jammed or something?
Wait, do we like nobody wants to see our vlogs?
What? There are no more. How many people
People
are you
that
putting
saw
this
your
thing?
vlogs that I showed them to said that they're kind of boring. I don't think they're boring, but my friends.
Well, I don't care if they think.
I have friends in very high places.
We don't care.
Okay. Later, you want to do the video of the life raft? Huh. I am dark side. The only way to defeat me is by reflecting my
One
eyes.
of your bullets is over here.
Lasers.
I can't find any of my bullets.
You mean that bullet? Hey, you mean that bullet?
Hello, YouTube.
I'm missing 7.
Again. Okay.
That's
How many
it.
bullets do I have?
I'm missing 6
1, 2,
bullets.
3, 4, 5. I have 5 out of 12. What the heck?
I have 6 bullets.
I need 7 more. Dad, I'm gonna have to put the music on here.
What? I'm putting music on the video.
That's more like it.
I have 7 more bullets that I haven't found.
Okay, get ready for round 2, YouTube.
What are you doing?
We're gonna do round 2, and we're gonna be back in a minute.
No, don't. We're back for a second round, too.
2, and then there's 2 out of 3 rounds. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. To your safe spots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, no teaming. Not when you do one.
Okay, we're gonna restart the whole video.
Are you serious? No, we're not!
I totally shot that.
Okay, that round did not count. So we're gonna be back again for round 2 again. Okay, hi YouTube. We're gonna start round 2 again, 2 out of 3 again. So let's do it. Okay, choose safe spots, everyone.
Power drink. Hi, Mason.
Can you go up to your safe spot? Seriously.
Power drink.
You go. Go to your safe spot.
Where is it? The rest of the phone.
I think I'm stuck in a time. Wait, power drink.
Breathing.
Come on, Bam Bam.
Breathing.
Get on the camera.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, God, they didn't find my bullet!
We started.
I'm in trouble.
Oh, man. Wait, still your roll so we
Whoa. Oh, I got you.
Yes, I did. Oh, I got it.
I'm behind the tree!
Oh, you shot my leg once. I shot your chest.
No, you didn't.
Oh, come on, seriously.
I think we know who won that round.
No, it was me.
I know it was me.
No, it wasn't. I hit you like once, and you didn't hit me once.
I hit you in the chest.
No, you didn't.
You hit me in the leg once.
Okay, let's go to enough further.
I see us not doing retry again.
Okay, the winner of that round was me. Okay.
In your dreams, it was Max.
No, it was me. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Last round, round 3. Let's do it. Okay.
Do you safe spots?
No.
You have enough. Okay, let's go.
No, I'm spectating. I'm spectating.
You have enough.
I'm spectating.
Are you ready? 3, 2,
1. Go. Come on, Max. No. Oh! I got you. I got you again. I got you 3 times.
Oh, raise the winner.
Yay! Wait, we all won actually. Because Brandon won the first round, Max won the second, and then I round 2.
I guess you're right, right?
Yep, we all won.
Yeah, because we're all great.
We're all winners, except if you lose.
Shut up.
Here.
I am so happy. Max, you got
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Stop cheating. Okay.
Okay,
I'm not cheating. You have to find my phone.
Okay, now that was the end of the 3rd round. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like for more videos. Sorry I haven't uploaded all break and all week, but here's the video and hope you liked it. Bye.